Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back again. Today we have Mrs. Bhavna Maheshwari from Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. She is an independent woman who firmly believes that every child should be allowed to enjoy rounded education and complete development. She is the founder of BizKids and the Wings Club Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. She is also a successful edupreneur, rather, I would say, not an entrepreneur, an edupreneur. She possesses a degree in chemistry, management, and digital marketing, and is a successful preschool educator rather. She has been successfully running her preschool for past 10 years, and this is one of the main reasons why she is so close to toddler nature and concerned about their growth and development. Apart from above achievements, Bhavna is a TED club leader and mentor in her locality. Let's welcome Mrs. Bhavna Maheshwari. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you? Good to see you
I'm
after so
fine, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's same here. So, ma'am,
Yes.
my usual question: what brings you to education after having a degree in chemistry, management, and digital marketing?
Yes. So, very apt question because these all the three degrees nowhere help me in the preschooling. Uh, when my younger one was born, and when he was 2.5 years old, there was a dearth of preschools, and it is around 12, 13 years back I'm talking about. The preschool were not so, cropping up everywhere. That is the reason I thought of, putting my ideas because I have an older one also. So that my first hand experiences with her and the younger one, and I wanted to be with my children. I wanted to take my career up, but with that I wanted to be with my children. So what I did is, this was the best option because through this I could give my son what I wanted him to give as a preschooler, plus I could be with my children for, they would not know that mom is working and still being with them and giving my wholehearted attention to them.
Right. So, ma'am, as you mentioned, your kids were small when you started this. So,
Yes.
when you started interacting with kids, like interacting with your own kid and interacting with other kids, it does make a difference. So,
Definitely.
yes, you come to know more children, you come to know more about children, the child psychology, everything comes into being. So, how would you I could say, how would you present it? Like your experience with the kids when you joined. You started your own school. There were so many kids. What were the struggles that you came across starting the school, and what were your takeaways when you started the school?
Right. So first, we'll discuss struggles starting a preschool without the actual, if you say, degree or study of, early child care and education, as they say, without
Yeah,
that. But that motherly instinct, अगर वो आपके बच्चे एक बारी आप you become a mother, so that motherly instinct develops on its own. So with that
exactly.
instinct, I started the preschool, and the struggle were many being in a place called Khargar. यहाँ पर it was difficult making the parents understand that ABCD and 1 2 3 से भी ऊपर कुछ है. I did not want that rote learning to be given because times have changed, generations are changing, everything is changing. Parents, what my parents were, I am very different to my children because I'm a little more educated than my parents, right? So I can be more, what can say, I can give them more what my parents gave me. And this is not a complaint, but I'm just saying that the difference, right? So kids can learn everything at home, but uh, how to socialize, how to be friendly. There are so many things. How to be giving and accepting. There are so many things. The house cannot teach because first thing, we are in a nuclear family, राइट.
Exactly.
पहले हमारी जॉइंट फैमिलीज होती थी, तो बच्चे कब बड़े हो जाते थे और कब सब कुछ सीख लेते थे,
भी
किसी को
पता भी नहीं लगता था हम लोगों को।
पता नहीं चलता। बट आजकल के पेरेंट्स के लिए एवरीथिंग इज अ स्ट्रगल बिकॉज वी आर इन अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, मोस्टली मदर एंड फादर। आप मुंबई में आएंगे तो मोस्टली बोथ ऑफ द पेरेंट्स आर वर्किंग. So
Yeah,
the
because
children
when
are
I was
either
in Mumbai, I experienced it too. In fact,
yeah.
because we were staying there alone, so I knew like that was the first time, my first experience when we knew what a nuclear family is, what the hassles and problems we face, like how we get along things, how we get along with our daily problems.
Right. And when I started the preschool, it was around 10-11 years back, and तब internet का boom नहीं था. Right, there
In
was no
fact,
internet.
that is when we also joined together.
Yes, yes. So there was the internet was not much into each and everyone's household. WhatsApp तो खैर आया था थोड़ा सा, उसके 1-2 साल बाद आ गया था, because तब स्मार्टफोन्स इतने नहीं थे, तो not every पे. So you know, तब का जो स्ट्रगल था वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था. पेरेंट्स को मुझे बहुत सारा समझाना पड़ता था अबाउट व्हाई आई वांट टू गिव देम एजुकेशन विच इज बियॉन्ड द टेक्स्ट बुक्स. ABCD 1 2 3 के अलावा भी कुछ है बच्चों के लिए, वो उनको समझाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था. Then but slowly I started, and parents started accepting it because they could see the difference. Because there was not much of internet and Google at that time, so जितना भी हम जो भी हम डिजाइन करते थे हमारे प्री स्कूल का curriculum and activities were solely with my lovely teachers, who I'm still grateful to. My lovely teachers, me, and you know, my support staff. हम सब लोग every Saturday we used to sit, wreck our brains and find activities.
In fact, I have also been a part of it many times.
Yes. And you know, there was, I'll give you one example. My teacher wanted to show in science about the hatching of an egg. How doesn't, I mean, you know, the egg hatch and the chicken comes out. Now we were skeptical कि अगर हमने कुछ अंडा दे दिया, और because some parents, you know, उनके घर में नहीं बनता है अंडा, तो वो, I mean, ऐसा किसी के, we did not want to hurt anybody's sentiments. You know, she sat पूरी रात, उन्होंने कार्डबोर्ड का एग और उसके अंदर से चिकन, you know, वो पूरा बना के लाई घर से अपने, एंड फिर उन्होंने आके जब बच्चों को एक्सप्लेन किया, आई वाज so happy. The creativity was amazing. So these were the little struggles. I won't say much of a struggle. मैंने बोला ना, जैसे जैसे पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चों की प्रोग्रेस दिखती गई, with our simple experiments and simple activities which we used to do at home in the school, so they started accepting, and we were all good to go. अभी takeaways मेरे ये हैं, I mean, as you said कि what are the takeaways? The takeaways are that children in today's time, they need a lot of attention, compassion. There is a lot to be worked on these kids, because बहुत सारे क्योंकि because of the digital invasion in their lives, you know, that empathy, sympathy, compassion, sharing, बहुत सारी चीजें missing है. There are speech delays, right? There are fine and gross motor skills difficulty. If you allow me, I'll give you an example. There was a little child in our preschool. He had enrolled for playgroup class, right? And he was just 2 years old, though we never pushed any kid till nursery to hold a pencil, because we don't believe into you know, pencil writing. As I told, that rote curriculum I was not very much interested into, so we used to give them you know, jumbo crayons, so that their tripod, which we call this as a writing tripod, uspe effect na ho. But when he actually jumped into junior KG with us, and pencil was introduced for the first time to the child, it became so difficult for the child. He used to hold his hand like this because it kept on shaking for him, and he had to, you know, literally he was crying because he couldn't write, right?
Actually,
So
this was what we discussed also, and when we researched and when you discussed it with me, I told you I think he's using too much of iPad or a phone at home.
yes, screen time.
Right?
स्क्रीन टाइम में आप ये फिंगर को सिर्फ फ्लिक करने के लिए यूज करते हो. तो यही हुआ. द टीचर, you know, brought this to my notice. I called the mother and I shared this with her. See, it was not a bombardment because I really not knew कि उनके घर में क्या scene है. So before I jump on a conclusion, I thought of first having a talk with the lady. So the lady came. I spoke to the mom. She told me that since she was about to have another child, and they were in a joint family, and mm, you know. And the emotional turmoils during the pregnancy
Exactly.
women undergo, so she was under a lot of stress. I mean emotional stress, I must say. So to keep the child busy, she used to give her a smartphone and an iPad to the child, and the child used to just sit and just flick 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 with his fingers. And when we brought this to the notice, she was all crying. So we said, no, that's not a big problem. And then I just gave her some simple exercises to be done at home, because in the school, I don't say ki we don't do, but I just wanted this lady to take a little more attention and care for the child at home also. She followed, and now she's so happy. The child is in fourth standard, and whenever we meet, she's always so thankful to me. But it's okay. I'm not that he, but I'm really glad that the simple exercises which I gave to the child, और वो भी डेली पार्ट ऑफ द रूटीन में था कि किसी को अलग से कुछ जाना नहीं है लाकर या कुछ नहीं करना है. सो दीज देयर लिटिल लिटिल थिंग्स व्हिच पेरेंट्स ने ओवरलुक किया, बट बाद में जब उनको बताया एंड दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट, एंड देन एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन.
Exactly, because this is what I even when we discussed on later stages, like I think it was like we both came to a conclusion that we need to stop this anyhow, because this is really creating a havoc in the child's life.
True, true. Screen time. Excess. See, screen time is not bad if it is used productively. If I am sitting with my child and playing games, or I'm doing a FaceTime with the child's what you say, grandparents or relatives, who are far, far away, and we cannot meet every day. तो हम तब अगर हम we are using the screen or letting the child use the screen, that is a productive screen time. But if you just switch on the TV or the iPad just to make the background noise and the child is just continuously staring, that is bad screen time.
Exactly. So, ma'am, what according to you, because you've got a vast experience of almost a decade in preschools, what is the ideal age of online schooling?
Online school, according to me, see, online schooling, if you come, online schooling at least up to the class 2 should be avoided, I must say. See, when I say should be avoided, now because we are in a situation that we are not able to avoid this, but we can control it, right? पेरेंट्स
Exactly.
बोलते हैं कि अगर बच्चा घर में बैठ के मतलब स्क्रीन पे पढ़ाई कर रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं ना, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं भी करेगा तो भी वो स्क्रीन देखेगा, राइट?
Exactly.
तो स्क्रीन देखेगा, मैंने आपको वही बोला, कंटिन्यूअसली स्टेयरिंग एट द स्क्रीन without learning from it makes it bad screen time. But if the teacher is teaching and the child is seeing 10 of his friends, थोड़ा तो वो पेप अप होगा. बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड बीइंग इन अ लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन, आई एम 40 प्लस एंड मेरे को समझ में आता है कि मेरे को कितना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है that I am not able to meet my friends or go out for my daily needs. आप ये सोचिए कि एक 2 3 4 साल के बच्चे के लिए इट इज सच अ टफ टाइम, बिकॉज वो उनको बाहर सिचुएशन समझ नहीं आ रही है कि why they have been locked down in the house. So a little screen time, as I said, we'll come to that later, but an ideal, if you want to understand कि schooling till the class 2 should be avoided. और अभी अभी गवर्नमेंट ने हमारी 2-3 दिन पहले ये बोला भी है कि at least till class 2 we will have no online classes also, and I'm very glad they did this. Because एक 7 साल के बच्चे को अगर 2 घंटे आप नहीं पढ़ाओगे ना दिन में, there are other life skills also the child can be taught. Maths and science can
Right.
be taught by other ways also, if the parents just want कि पढ़ाई होनी जरूरी है तो there are other things the child can learn जो कि रेगुलर में नहीं कर पाता. अगर ये एक चांस मिला है लॉकडाउन का, तो आप भी you can spend some quality time teaching certain values and things which we always say, अरे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है सिखाने का. अभी आपके पास बहुत टाइम है, थोड़ा सा प्लानिंग करेंगे ना डे का, निकल जाएगा वो टाइम भी.
So, ma'am, according to you, what should be the prescribed screen time for 2 to 4 years?
Right. So 2 to 4 years, if you there is an association Pediatric Association, which says कि 2 से 4 years के बच्चों के लिए daily 1 hour up, you can go with the screen time, but that 1 hour should not be 1 hour together. Half an hour, give them a break, maybe half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening. That is the prescribed screen time which you can give to a 2 to 4 year old child.
Right. So, ma'am, according to you, like you just mentioned, that 2 to 4 year child should be given on maximum 1 hour's time.
Right.
Right. Right now, what is happening is when a child starts crying, le beta, mobile le le. Right. Okay. That is one thing where the child starts playing. Then there is a thing where a mobile is given to a child to watch either phonics videos or Winnie the Pooh or Tom and Jerry or something, because the mother is involved in work, right? And the child is troubling the mom, right? So what happens is the child is getting used to that screen time.
Yes.
But side by side, he is imbibing the knowledge that he's gaining. Okay, Winnie and Tigger are good friends. Then Piglet is a friend of Winnie. Winnie goes and collects honey and he eats honey. So,
Right.
like, he's in a way learning that a bear eats honey. So, what would you say on this? Like, is it correct to just keep the child busy with the mobile while you're working or not?
I would still say a no. For at least for 2 to 4 years old, as I said, screen time, giving a screen time just to keep the child busy is not good. You gave a very good example कि phonics आप लगा के दे सकते हो, आप movies लगा के दे सकते हो. How much would a 2 to 4 year child absorb from that? Right?
Ma'am, I have seen kids as young as 1.5 year, 1 year holding a mobile and watching phonics and all. I don't understand why.
Understanding, ma'am. They are watching. You correctly said they are watching. They are watching the graphics. They are
Exactly.
enjoying the sound. How much are they understanding?
That is important.
So you have to get involved into it. Maybe a 15-minute time you give, but you have to be involved, and you have to sit with the child and make the child understand what we exactly are doing. See, Winnie the Pooh is such a beautiful movie. Even I have watched it and I've loved it thoroughly. If you sit with the child, see the movie with the child, then ask questions. As you said, the bear loves honey, the friendship between the two. I mean, beautiful story, and there are so many takeaways from that. So if you really want to give the screen time to the child, sit with the child and give the screen time. At least for 2 to 4 years, I would recommend that only.
And that to a limited time, not more than an hour in the entire day. Because ultimately, when you're watching TV, the child is sitting with you and watching TV.
Right.
Again, his screen time is increasing.
Right. Screen time is increasing.
So we are bombarding the kids. We are bombarding the kids with too much of screen time, which technically is very wrong for their brains, because ultimately those radiations are coming up to their brains with the mobile phone, and our brain, if I speak in a layman language, our brain is a piece of flesh wired with thousands of wires that are the veins and the nerves that are going to the brain, and each brain takes one color, absorbs one color. When so many colors are passing through his eyes, the brain gets confused which color to absorb and which he should not. And that is where, when the short circuits happen, that is where then the kids get affected by this.
Right. See, excessive screen time, if you must ask me, I used to counsel my parents also during my preschool years, and when I used to counsel the parents. Screen time reduces the memory and concentration of the child. Because if you see the animated, अगर आप एनिमेशन देखेंगे, कोई भी एनिमेशन सीरीज देखते हैं, तो उसमें आप स्क्रीन कितनी जल्दी फ्लिकर होता है, राइट? बच्चे का कंसंट्रेशन इज नॉट मच. आज जब पेरेंट्स मेरे पास आके मुझे बोलते हैं ना, मेरा बच्चा 5 मिनट भी नहीं बैठता एक एक्टिविटी करने को. कैसे बैठेगा? आप 6 घंटा उसको एनिमेशन दिखा रहे हो, 6 घंटा उसके सामने स्क्रीन टिक 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 ऐसे पर सेकंड वो उसकी स्क्रीन फ्लिकर हो रही है विद अ न्यू इमेज. How would you expect a child to sit for 5 minutes also doing one particular thing, right? So basically, excessive screen time kills the imagination, creativity, concentration, and memory span, everything. So these are the, I mean, drawbacks which a parent must understand. I know there are, see, everyone is not in my situation. They, they choose a work wherein half the day they can be with their work and half the day they can be with the children, right? Not everyone is, so I cannot be too judgmental here, but then uh, since it is your child, you need to take out ways and means. Maybe you can have grandparents. Maybe you can, maybe see there are daycares who take really good care of children. I have seen certain daycares who
In
take
fact,
really,
you were also running one of
yeah, I was also
a
running.
daycare, and your ayas and didis, they were so well trained and they were so like loving and caring for the kids. Like I
Right.
have personally seen that.
Right. And one thing I would like to put here is for the 10 years which I did my preschooling, not a single gadget was ever put across the child. Maybe daycare के बच्चों के लिए जैसे टीवी लगा देते हैं कि भाई दोपहर में कार्टून देखेंगे. We never had a TV screen in the entire of our preschool. So no gadgets were
And
used.
they were involved in activities,
Yes.
robotics, and
So
other things.
around 8 to 10 activities were always going on through the week. So parents who are working, as I said, I cannot be too judgy and comment on anybody's parenting कि भाई नहीं आपको तो नौकरी छोड़ के अपने बच्चे को ही संभालना है. So for those parents we had put in a lot of activities. So by evening when the child is like 5 o'clock, the child gets up and okay and full of energy, then we can give them good activities which the parents, after 7 o'clock, they cannot take the child anywhere, right? And then I wanted the child to be with the parent for at least 3 hours before they hit the bed at 10, right? So that parent child time should always be there. So between 5 to 7, we used to hold a lot of activities for children at our daycare also.
So, ma'am, what, according to you, is the ideal age for online school?
Ideal age should be around 7 plus. Schooling, if you say yes. Yes, then is the time they actually understand that there is a routine. They understand what is being taught to them, because see, this online schooling in India is a very, very, very new concept because of this pandemic. We've just started. Otherwise, हमारा जो traditional school है, I think nobody can beat that. I am just a very traditional schooling kind of a person. I never want these gadgets to be introduced in the school and everything. So थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड से बच्चे आई थिंक समझदार हो जाते हैं इतना. आजकल के थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे आई गेस आई कैन से कि वो समझदार हो जाते हैं दैट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज बीइंग टॉट एंड दे कैन ग्रास्प, दे कैन एब्जॉर्ब. बिफोर दैट उनका मैंने बोला दे आर टू वेरी यंग टू टेक दिस.
Exactly, because somewhere during the pandemic, we are forced to give our child online education. During the pandemic has created a forceful environment of
Yes.
online education.
100%.
And, yeah, and this is like you were earlier mentioning FOBA.
Sorry?
You were mentioning FOBA, fear of online.
Yeah, fear of online. Yes. Okay. So, right.
So, I'm coming to what our topic exactly is. According to you, do you think that online education for preschoolers, the main topic for today was online education for preschoolers, a fairy tale or a horror movie, horror story?
Yeah.
So, coming to that, what do you think is the online education for preschoolers? Is it a fairy tale or a horror story which they are going to wake up after the schools reopen? Like you can say a horror dream or a fairy tale.
See, horror horror story or fairy tale is as good as asking about pros and cons of online education for preschoolers, right?
Exactly.
So first I'll come to the cons because I want to end this on a happy note, right? I don't want parents to be, thinking. I want the parents to think, no doubt about it, but I want to end with the pros because थोड़ा happy ending होगी तो अच्छा रहेगा. See, cons, as we were just discussing, this is a forced environment on the child and forced
Exactly.
environment on us also.
All of
For
us.
2 4 years, if there is an online class, initially the children are very happy. Believe me, I have heard parents saying कि जब वो 60 days के बाद school हुआ online and the child first saw his teacher and the child saw all his classmates on the screen, the child was so happy. The child was very happy. Obviously after 60 days, if the child is being locked up in the house and अचानक से उसकी टीचर और उनके फ्रेंड्स दिखते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी वेरी 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 हैप्पी, राइट? तो वो इनिशियली 1 2 दिन they were all pepped up and listening to the teacher, but online education is a one-way school, if you say, right? Teacher और इसके बीच में कोई सोशियो इमोशनल कनेक्ट नहीं बनता है. There is no socio emotional connect between the teacher, right, and her or his student. Okay, so then it becomes after 2 3 days, this becomes monotonous, because the child is not actually absorbing anything out of it. Then this
Exactly.
screen time becomes a bad screen time, because if the child is not taking away anything from the screen time, he's subjected to, then it becomes a bad screen time. Teacher
Exactly.
वहां बोल रही है, बच्चे को यहाँ कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, because there is no connect, because इतने छोटे बच्चों को ना, as I said, I believe into traditional schooling, touching all the five senses, that connection when he sees the teacher hugs the child, that feel of the teacher is very very important. यहाँ पर उसको क्या लग रहा था कि कुछ entertaining होगा, but the teacher is giving, ये करो ये करो ये करो ये करो, right? And the child finds it monotonous. It is not of its or her interest anymore after 2 3 days, right? So most of the cameras are shut. Most of the children are lying on the floor calling, "Mama, make a toy de do, Mama." These are my experiences, which I have, actually spoken with parents, and parents have conveyed it to me. So that is the reason I still believe that 2 to 4 years old should be left on their own. मुझे बताइए, ये this condition going to be forever, this pandemic and this lockdown?
No,
No.
not at all.
So
Not
all
at all.
things that we come out of it fast, right? And
Yeah.
fast maybe 3 months, 4 months. I still say, if 1 year your child is at home, see my younger one is in 9th standard, and trust me when I say that if his school start also, the government pushes that the school should be start, the parent push the school to start, I will not send him to school. He can study 1 year at home. Till 8th standard he has studied in school, he knows the pattern, so in 9th standard he can follow. Now you about 2 to 4 years old, they need a routine, no doubt about it, but routine when it becomes uninteresting for the child is of no use to us. We should not force this online schooling on 2 to 4 year old by any chance. There are a lot of activities which, if a parent, both the parents plan it, through the day, how to keep the child engaged. And if you know how to keep the child engaged, the child will follow that routine. And trust me, the child forgets screen time so many times. वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना उसको, the child gets an urge, नहीं, I want to see. I have seen such kids, if you don't give them screen time, they won't eat, they will keep on lying on the floor shouting कि दे दो दे दो दे दो. That is where you have to be strict. So when before pandemic हम जब इतने strict थे कि नहीं ज्यादा screen time नहीं देना है, तो फिर 3 4 महीने में क्या बड़ा हो जाएगा अगर आप बच्चे को ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग नहीं दोगे तो. The child is not going to miss anything, trust me. When the normal school starts, they will all be back, they'll all be back to the routine, and with their age, as we say, वो age बढ़ती जाएगी, and they'll be able to grasp things more and quickly also. So जो हम सोच रहे हैं ना 6 महीने का कोर्स छूट गया, अरे यार 2 साल के बच्चे के लिए क्या 6 महीने का कोर्स होता है, आप मुझे बताइए. क्या 6 महीने में क्या बच्चा कर लेगा, राइट? बट मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज द टाइम when natural learning should come into force. Now, these are the cons which I'll tell you. The natural learnings. Now, if you ask me what are natural learnings, let the child help you as per the child's age. The routine housework, right? There are so many things a 2-year-old can help you. You have to ask the child to do it for you. The child won't come to you and say, "Main ye karu." There are certain children who do it also. But if they are not doing, you can always say, "Ki come, let's," you can just fold the laundry. You can just stack the dishes, right? Right? To be carefully doing so, no doubt about it. Natural learning is, cooking and baking with the children. Total science and maths involved. Measurements, right? That is the best. And believe, trust me, the children enjoy cooking, a traditional baking, anything with their parents. That is the most loved time. And it involves science also and mathematics also. When you tell ek katori, ek chammach, so these are all measurements you are teaching, जो स्कूल में भी सिखाते हैं. Though in another way, but maths or science आपने सिखा दिया बच्चे को. How many of us will ask the children to tend the plants? पानी देने से स्टार्ट करो, धीरे धीरे जब बच्चा रोज पानी देगा, उसको दिख रहा है इतने छोटे से इतने बड़ा हमारा द प्लांट इज ग्रोइंग, उसकी क्यूरोसिटी डेवलप करो. बिकॉज 2 to 4 years जो बच्चे होते हैं, दे आर नेचुरली इंक्विजिटिव because they want to learn and they want to know.
They are inclined to all these things, like they just want to find out how is this happening. Like there have been certain kids, who ask me also, "Ki ma'am, how does a butterfly fly?"
Right.
So that is, what makes a child more inquisitive. As you rightly stated, that kids 2 to 4, in fact 2 to 7 years, are very, very inquisitive.
Right.
In fact, I came across a child who was hardly 1.5 year old, and he was inquisitive. He wanted to know, why is an iron hot?
They can ask you so many questions, and we should be able
at times we don't have answers to their questions.
Right. Because we need to have age appropriate answers. Sometimes we need to make up stories, because not every question they ask can be replied exactly, because हमें देखना पड़ता है कि बच्चा कितना समझ पाएगा at the age of 2 years and at the age of 18 years. So there is a difference. So we need to tackle those tricky questions very patiently also. Sometimes I know this lockdown has taken a toll on every parent who has a preschooler at home, but everything can wait, but these growing years, right, will not wait. So if it is good that you spend the max. See, when I say this, people will say, हाँ तुम्हारे बच्चे तो बड़े हो गए, मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो गए. That is the reason I can say this. कि वो कैसे बड़े हो गए ना, the time just passed away. My elder one is 18.5, and I mean, it just, the time flew away. I thought, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि I think I have spent a little less time than what I should have been doing, right? Now they are on their own, they are independent, they need me. Definitely they need us as parents, उतना नहीं जितना हमको अब लग रहा है कि यार I should have spent. So I will tell every parent who is a parent of a toddler, till 6-7 years, because हम बोलते भी है ना, still 6 years कि बच्चे का brain सबसे ज़्यादा develop till 6 years होता है. Put emotions. If the child is crying, there is a reason for the child to be crying. Find out. You are also learning on the way, right, with the child. So what I am saying is all my learnings plus the preschool 10 years put in together. So this makes a lot of experience. 2 kids and a preschool. तो मैं ये अभी भी पेरेंट्स को यही बोलना चाहूंगी, spend as much time. आप 15 मिनट दे सकते हो एक बार में. At one shot you can give 15 minutes. Make those 15 minutes productive. So that at the end of the day, if you ask आज सुबह हमने 15 मिनट में क्या किया था, the child should be able to reply. The child should be able to reply or recall what you had done. Then it's a productive 15 minute for you. everything can wait. The pandemic will go, the lockdown will go, we'll all be back to normal. Yeah, it is forced and it will not stay for long. We are all praying that this goes away and we be back to normal. So whatever time we have got with the children now, let's utilize it. घर के काम है, पड़े रहेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Nothing much will happen. कोई हमारे घर नहीं आ रहा है देखने के लिए या करने के लिए. Sometimes if you can cook only one pot dish in the meal, it's absolutely fine. Till the time it is, home cooked and it is nutritious and it is fulfilling, I think fair enough. The dining table need not always be full of food. You neglect your child and you be taking care. Okay, I have to put in 10, 15 dishes across the table to make everyone in the house happy. My family was very supportive in that. If at all I'm tired and I can make only dal chawal, they would till today they never tell me anything. They are all so very so that is the reason I can give my example. You start doing it for your child. That these years won't come back and the time will just fly out.
Exactly, and we won't even come to know when our child grew up. And then when they go out for work, we will sit down and realize, oh, now we are missing them. I think they also missed us.
Exactly, that is what I'm saying. Since both my kids are teenagers now, they have their own set of things to do. Half the day are in the school, then they have their classes. If at all they're interested, then they take up some of the other classes. Then they have their friends. Then they have their social media. They have so much to do. As I said, they don't need us. They need us. They need us to be there always. They just want to know that we are there for them. And we should always make them feel that, yes, whatever it is, good, bad, ugly, whatever is there, we are always with you. If that assurance is there now, then you sail through.
Great. Ma'am, as a preschooler, like preschool educator, you have been dealing with children like from I think 18 months to 6 to 7 years, right?
Yes.
So during that age, like even I'll talk about normal teenagers also. What do you think is the importance of storytelling? That's a very very close subject to your heart. That's why I picked it up.
Stories is what my children heard from me. I really don't know how many of them they remember, because मुझे मेरा बचपन याद है. गर्मी की छुट्टियां, छत पे एक, अगर आप जानते हो, खाट करके एक चीज हुआ करती थी दिल्ली में. खाट होती थी, नानी खाट पे लेटेंगी, हम लोग सारे साइड में लेटेंगे, नानी कहानियां सुनाएंगे. आज तक मुझे वो सारी कहानियां याद है. आई नो सम वर रियल, सम वर बिल्ट अप स्टोरीज, बट मैंने काफी सारी स्टोरीज मेरे बच्चों को भी सुनाई हैं. And I am sure they still remember some of my songs which I made just to make them eat food. क्योंकि तब तो टीवी नहीं था, मैं इतना टीवी मतलब was not there when they were growing up, right? So जो भी था मैंने सब कुछ अपने ऊपर लेके गाने भी बनाती थी उनके लिए, स्टोरीज भी बनाती थी, and हमारा पूरा दिन चलता था ऐसे ही. Stories are very 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 essential part of a child's growing up. I will not say those fairy tales only, jahan par the prince and the princess are there. I believe in real time stories. Animal stories are definitely, yes, they should listen to more of animal stories. Fairy tales I'm not very, because उसमें क्या होता है ना कि हमेशा princess को बचाने prince आता है, and I want to change that now. This tradition to continue, seeing the girls of today. I have a daughter, so I know कि वो कभी भी एक prince उसको बचाने आए, she will never digest that. So being a mother of an 18-year-old girl, I would say that we should bring a change in the stories also. Yes, tell them stories. Stories have a lot of moral values you can give through them. That you can build up a lot of imagination. The child starts imagining. उसकी वोकैबुलरी आप डेवलप कर रहे हो, आप उसको क्रिएटिव बना रहे हो. सो स्टोरी टेलिंग का प्रिमिटिव, ये जो फॉर्मेटिव इयर्स हैं बच्चे के, लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, आई मीन अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस इज देयर. एंड एवरी पेरेंट जो बोलते हैं ना बेड टाइम स्टोरीज होती हैं, स्टोरीज आप कभी भी बोलो बच्चे को, बच्चा खुश रहेगा. आप खाना बनाते बनाते भी उसको बोलोगे ना, वो वहाँ पास में खड़ा रह के सुनने वाला है आपके पास स्टोरीज.
Right. So, like, in a way, I can say that through these stories, the children, they imbibe a lot of ethics, lot of mannerism, lot of
Cultural traditions also.
sympathy, empathy,
Right.
tradition,
Yes.
culture.
Yes.
So, like, I feel that it is a really very important part, be it English stories or Hindi stories. Stories are stories. Right. And we have a very big community of storytellers throughout the globe,
Yes.
if
One
you're
of my
aware of.
friends is a wonderful storyteller. One of my friend, if she is watching this, a very big hi to her also. She actually introduced me to formal storytelling. See, as a mother, मेरे लिए story बोलना was because I wanted them to be, a little more interested towards stories. और बच्चों को story सुनना मैंने देखा है कि naturally अच्छा लगता है. Because as I said, they are curious, they are inquisitive, and they want to know कि मम्मी की life में पहले क्या हुआ. So वो सारे
Exactly.
एनेक्डोट्स हम उनको स्टोरीज की तरह सुनाते थे जब वो छोटे थे. आज भी उन लोगों को काफी सारे याद होंगे कि हमने अपने बचपन की कहानियां कैसे बताई हैं उन लोगों को. So I have a friend of mine who is a wonderful storyteller, and उसने मुझे actually formal storytelling के बारे में introduce किया था, and I have seen some of her work, and it's lovely.
So, like, we should imbibe storytelling in our daily routine,
Very
because something or the other a child is going to pick up from there, which is going to be good for them. But we have to be careful that whatever stories we are telling, they should have a logic, they should have a moral.
yes, yes,
So,
right.
ma'am, we have been discussing too much about corona, and I know it's not going to go easily,
Yes,
right?
it is not. Yes, yes, yes,
तो वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, बहुत ढीठ है, कोरोना भी बहुत ढीठ हो गया है.
yes.
Right. So what would be your suggestions? So for those who are like still in a double mindset, whether they have to send their kids to school, or they have to take them out, or they have to pay the fees, or they do not have to pay the fees, because you know what, some or the other at some or the other place the teachers are suffering,
Yes, yes.
right?
I have a school going
Parents
child, I know.
parents are there, not all parents are like you and me who are ready to help the schools by paying the fees. Some people say that the school is a what do you say, a
Money
profit
making.
making institution. Profit making institution, it's a money minting mine. They have so much I had, if you remember, I had done a survey
Yes,
before we started this,
right,
right?
right,
And
right.
there was a parent who was saying that no, I will not send my child to school because we will have to pay fees, and we are in crunch of finances, right? So
Right.
I would like to have your opinion. Like, if the parents are in a crunch of finances, what about the teachers? They are also parents.
Yes. Okay. So we come to the um, school fees, right? So this happened in my son's school as well. Some parents were against the school charging. I mean, they did not want the entire charges to be waived off, but they said that whatever facility we are using, we will pay for that. And I did not find that टू वेरी प्लीजिंग टू से कि अगर मेरा बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जा रहा तो बिजली का बिल नहीं आ रहा स्कूल का तो मैं नहीं पे करूंगा ये 3 महीने के लिए, राइट. What I would say is, since a school is also an institution, 12 महीने वो आप एंड उससे पहले मैं आपको ये बताऊं कि टीचर्स कितनी जल्दी से स्विच ओवर हुई फ्रॉम द ट्रेडिशनल टू द ऑनलाइन मेथड, राइट.
Exactly.
नॉट
Within no time they were online.
राइट. सबके पास लैपटॉप नहीं हो सकता है कि कोई जरूरी हो सबके पास लैपटॉप हो एक्सपेयर करने के लिए कि मैं 4 घंटे यहाँ बैठूं. सी व्हेन आई से कि मेरे को पूरे घर का काम खुद करना है बिकॉज आई हैव नो हाउस हेल्प्स, the teacher is also in the same condition. Still, my son, when he had his online classes, the teacher should be, there at 8 o'clock till 12 o'clock, taking all the various subjects in the best possible way she could. I have a friend of mine who's a teacher in a school, and till 12 o'clock, till 12:30, she makes notes, because the traditional and the online teaching are so different. She has to prepare every day notes and notes, so that she doesn't falter, because here the parents are there in the online classes, and they are being too judgy. I can see the quality of the teacher. Now I understand why my child is not learning, is what I have heard of. And I will, I really don't say all this. In fact, I was very, very thankful to my teachers, my son's teachers, when we had a PTM last month. I thank them that, it was very difficult for a person to sit in front of the camera and continuously teach. Just leaving the traditional methods of feeling, as I said, kids in school, they need to have that socio-emotional connect, which is missing in this online classes. But the teachers did that. So if I say that I will not pay the fees because the school is online, is totally, absurd, I must say. Teachers are still taking the same amount of pains they used to, take in a routine proper school. It is just that the teacher doesn't have to travel now, right? Baki, everything is same. She has to make notes, she has to make assignments and give to you. She has to make, online tests, which is everything that the teachers are facing this every day, a new, challenge for them. So if you say we will not pay the fees, is totally wrong. Because if I am working outside, if I am working for a company or any organization, and they not paying me because they say ki 3 mahine aap bhi office nahi aaye, why should I pay? Is wrong, right? My husband is working, he's getting his salary, then why not the teachers?
Right.
They are also working from home. You cannot deny, or you cannot say the teachers are not. They're putting double the hard work they used to put in the school, is what I feel nowadays. Learning this technology, isn't that a task for a teacher?
Of course it is. Of course it is. At times I struggle with lots of things, which I don't. I have to take help of my son. You please come and help me out.
There are so many things. So we should, at 3-4 months, if you pay. See, government says you pay 3 months salary to your house helps, right? आप अपने हाउस हेल्प को 3 महीने की सैलरी देने को तैयार हो, टीचर्स को नहीं. I mean, I don't. अब वही मैं पूछ रही हूँ, क्यों? ये तो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन है. पेरेंट्स को.
And then 50% deduction in the salary.
हाँ.
50% deduction in the teacher's salaries. Like, I don't understand why. What is this? Because what happens is, ma'am, like I'll tell you a personal experience. I know a teacher who has been teaching, who is in school, and she is like earlier the school paid 75%. Okay, 25% deduct kiya, chalta hai. But 50%, like it's really going to trouble them a lot.
Exactly. If she is the only earning member of her family, then can you imagine?
Yeah, that's what. So I got another vote that the teacher should be paid.
My vote is always with you, and I have many mothers and parents like me who are supporting this. कि यार टीचर्स, और टीचर्स को तो हमें utmost respect से रखना चाहिए. The school, the teacher, the institution, they are, actually molding your child. आप अपने घर में एक बच्चे को नहीं संभाल सकते, एक टीचर 250 बच्चा पूरे दिन में संभाल रही है, right? तो आप
सेशंस चल रहे हैं like online classes के, like she's connected. At times I just try to imagine the trauma that her eyes are facing taking the online education, and the problems the family is facing, because most of the day she is either she has to wake up early and prepare the entire day food, and like
exactly. That is what I'm saying. Since I am also getting irritated and frustrated some days because I am tired of doing the monotonous घर का काम. Imagine, और मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है अभी. I am totally free, right? But the teacher, as I said, 4 hours की online class लेनी है. एक बच्चे की अटेंडेंस लेके देनी है स्कूल में. The school is watching over her, how she is teaching in the during her online sessions. 4 घंटे के बाद में she has to switch back to a normal, mother taking care of the household, or a normal, homemaker taking care of her home. And uske baad mein again evening she has to sit down and pen notes for the next day classes, right? So many things. So hats off to the teachers any day, hats off to the schools any day who have, kept the children engaged, engrossed productively. एटलीस्ट प्रोडक्टिवली तो एंगेज है मेरा बच्चा, वो 4 घंटे में से अगर 2 घंटे भी समझ के कुछ ले रहा है, आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी. आई विल नेवर एवर से कि टीचर्स ने कुछ नहीं किया. इट इज माय चाइल्ड, ही इज 14 years old now. He can take care of so many things.
Ma'am, like another question, it's quite personal. Like you have 2 kids,
Yes.
right? Both of them are grown up. I think your daughter has already finished her schooling. She is looking in
Yes,
for
she gave her first exam and we are awaiting her results now. Yes.
Yeah, right. And your son, he is come to 9th standard, right? So they are neither in the pre-primary section nor in the primary section. They are in the senior section, nor in the middle school, right? So for all the children, including pre-primary, primary, middle, and senior school, what is the best alternative? First of all, for pre-primary school pre-primary students, preschoolers rather, for online education, what is the alternative for that?
As I said, natural learning. Natural learning is the best as of now, because as I said, this is not going to be a forever thing. See, if it have been forever thing कि भाई ठीक है हम बाहर ही नहीं जा सकते 2-3 साल के लिए, then I would have said कि okay, 1 hour of online learning is okay. But if you say कि हाँ 3 महीने में सब normal हो जाएगा, we'll be out, we can go out, and तो आप सोच सकते. बट अभी मैं यही बोलूंगी कि give them natural learnings. There are a lot of information available on internet. If a parent can plan a day very nicely, then I think a parent also saves a lot of time and energy. See, as I told you, I can understand mothers engaging the child and doing the household work also. It takes a toll. Definitely takes a toll, and being locked up inside, that mental stress is also there on so many of us. So मैं ये मेरा यही suggestion रहेगा कि आप natural learnings की तरफ to divert the child towards natural learnings. There are a lot of resources available on internet. You can find out about natural learnings. As I said, cooking, baking, the child maybe आप क्लास का स्टैक बना दो और उसको बोलो ये काउंट करेगा 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So the child can do that. That is also a part of learning. एक केक अगर आपने बेक कर लिया, वो तो आपने मैथ्स और साइंस सिखा दिया, उसके बाद उसके 4 पीसेस करके आप उसको फ्रैक्शन सिखाइए. एज अप्रोप्रिएट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो सी द लर्निंग इज हिडन इनसाइड. हमारे घर के अंदर ही बहुत सब कुछ है कि हम उनको अभी के लिए 3 महीने और एंगेज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन एंगेज देम. See, my kids during this 3 months of lockdown, they have done so much of cooking जो मैंने कभी 20 साल में नहीं की होगी. They have learned so much, everything on their own. So ये बच्चे का natural instinct होता है. अगर आप एक बार उनको बोल दो कि yes, you are doing this right, maybe a 2-year or an 18-year-old, they will take it because you are a parent. You will never say, मतलब आप उनके बारे में कभी बुरा नहीं सोचोगे, right? So आप बच्चे को inquisitive बनाइए, उसकी curiosity solve करिए, and natural ways of learning at least for 3 months we can adopt. But it requires definitely a planning. Maybe on a Saturday, Sunday when the husband is not working, the mother can utilize that time, and plan for the whole week. What resources I have at home and how I can do. And there are beautiful activities, believe me, trust me. और बाकी तो आपकी खुद की भी creativity है. You can do so many things on their own. You can make up, as you said, stories. You can make up stories. You can watch a movie with the child, then discuss with the child the characters. That is also very important. एक bad, अगर bad character है आपकी movie में, तो आप एक bad character उठाइए और एक good character उठाइए, and tell the difference between what is good and what is bad. That is also important, right? सिर्फ 1 2 3 ABCD आना ही जरूरी नहीं है. लाइफ स्किल्स आज अगर आप बच्चों को देखोगे तो दे आर लैकिंग इन सो मेनी लाइफ स्किल्स. क्योंकि हमारी जो एजुकेशन है, इट डजंट सपोर्ट, यू नो, इट एवरीथिंग इज लाइक अ रूटीन मोनोटोनस एक्टिविटी. स्कूल जाएगा, 5 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ेगा और बाद में घर आ जाएगा, घर में आके मम्मी ट्यूशन में डाल देगी, जा बेटा ट्यूशन भी पढ़ ले, क्योंकि स्कूल में तूने पता नहीं क्या किया है, तू जाके ट्यूशन पढ़. द चाइल्ड इज टायर्ड.
Right. It's more of it's like what our education system. It's more of rote and learn.
Yes,
We are
it is.
more into rote and learn, and instead of building up I don't know what others might say, but my opinion is that we need to build up more independent, confident, and good future bearers, future flag bearers.
100%, 100%.
We don't need to breed bookworms. We don't need to breed bookworms.
Yes, more empathetic, more sympathetic generation we need. You know, where the world is
Because
heading today.
the
We need.
chaos that is going on, that is something a very big concern. Everybody is being affected, be it small kids. The chaos I'm talking about, I think you can understand what I'm talking about.
Yes,
I
yes.
cannot open up clearly.
Yeah,
Like everybody is like, it's there is you can't find sympathy everywhere. You can't find empathy. Like, even if somebody has met with an accident on the road, people will just onlook and move ahead. There are very
and
few, who will stop.
if I would tell you one thing, you cannot teach anybody sympathy and empathy. You need to do and show it to your children, right? मैं
We
अगर
need
मेरे
to
बच्चे
imbibe in
को
them. We
you
need
have
to
to, yes,
imbibe.
you have to show and do it. That is what I said. They learn when they see you doing certain things. You can, always discuss with them when you are just sitting with them. You can discuss कि एक बारी मेरे, you have, as I said, sometimes कुछ रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स बताने पड़ते हैं, कुछ मेड अप इंसिडेंसेस फ्रॉम योर लाइफ यू नीड टू बिल्ड अप. कि you can always discuss what happened with your friend many years back, and how you helped the friend of yours, and now how is the friend. Similarly, you can say when you were in trouble, how the other person helped you. So all these incidences will build inside them and make them more empathetic and sympathetic towards other fellow beings. It is not just कि मैं मेरे बच्चे को बोलूं नहीं तुझे चैरिटी करनी है क्योंकि मैं करती हूँ. This will not work.
This will not work.
This will not work. You have to just show them by doing. See, आप दिखाइए और बच्चा देख उस वक्त नहीं करेगा. Maybe 20 years later, the child might take it up.
Yeah,
And
that is why it is very clearly and very truly said that a parent is a role model for the
children are
child.
our mirror images
I
when we talk.
And I say parents are role model for the kids at home, and teachers are role model for the kids at school, because I consider teachers as their parents when they are in school, because they are taking care of the
Why do
kids.
we call
That's what we have discussed many times. If you remember, we
Yes,
have discussed it many times. Like, because the kids, they are with us as teachers for most of the day. Like, out of 24 hours, we can say 50-50. 50-50 they are with us, 50 with parents, 50 with teachers.
Right.
So I consider parents and teachers on the same platform. And that is what I have always, even I've always dreamt of bringing the parents and teachers on the same platform. That if you remember, once we were discussing that what if parents and teachers join hands?
The word would the education, as I said, see, education is not only going to the school writing. Education is an overall development for the child, right? Mentally, physiologically, psychologically, so many aspects of development are there. So if the two hold hands, we can definitely make a better generation, definitely. Because if you are a teacher of my child and I keep cribbing, अरे आपने मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसे किया नहीं, I understand why certain things, if you are doing with my child, might be good for
we need
good
to,
for my
exactly.
child.
We need to come on a common platform and
Right.
discuss the problems and find a solution collectively. Not just blaming कि parents ने ऐसा किया and parents blaming teachers ने ये कर दिया. Like, that's not going to solve it out.
Absolutely. So
ma'am, let's come back to the main thing. Like, we have already discussed the alternative type of education for preschoolers.
Yes.
Right. Now, what for primary and pre-primary kids?
Okay, so for pre-primary, see pre-primary, so they come in the toddlers. So primary, I would say that yes, 1 or 1.5 hour of online schooling is fair enough. Because at that time, the children, they really need to fix up a routine. They should know what a routine is, because as I think I have spoken this too many times during this 1 hour, कि ये हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहने वाला है. So after 3 months also, they should know that there is a routine to be followed. For that routine to be followed, if they are at 8 o'clock they get up and attend their classes, is fair enough, I think so. And I'm sure by the age of 6, 7, 8 years old, they start learning things independently. Then parental help की उतनी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है जितनी उसके मतलब प्री प्राइमरी ईयर्स के बच्चों को पड़ती है. सो 6, 7, 8 years old बच्चों को आप 1.5 hours करा सकते हो. बियॉन्ड 5 years 2 hours is okay. And 9 standard के बाद में तो 3-4 hours is absolutely fine. They can definitely take that up, because they are generation kids.
They are next generation kids. In fact, I call them cyber generation.
Yes, they are actually.
They are cyber kids.
Right.
So fine. It was a great experience, ma'am. You shared so many like real life experiences.
I'm so glad you chose me, because I had so many things to tell to the parents and telling individually, and you gave me a platform there, and a lot of people are watching us, and I hope they take away something from this conversation today.
Your final words for online education for preschoolers, a fairy tale or a horror story?
Would be stay away. For 2 to 4 years old, a parent is a total school for them, right? No need for online education for them. You as a parent are more than enough for them, and it is just a matter of a little planning, where you can plan a whole week or maybe 2 days, 3 days, whatever time you have. आप उसके हिसाब से अपना डे प्लान कर लीजिए. Lot of beautiful resources are available on internet. Take those, अपना कुछ ऐड करके बना लीजिए एज पर योर घर का एनवायरनमेंट और बच्चे का टेम्परामेंट देख के आप बना सकते हो. लेट योर चाइल्ड बी क्यूरियस, लेट देम बी इंक्विजिटिव. उनके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दीजिए, उनके साथ बैठिए एंड बी हैप्पी, बिकॉज ये जो 3-4 महीने हैं, आई विश दे जस्ट गो अवे. बस अब कोरोना को जाना चाहिए, तो कोरोना जाएगा एंड वील बी बैक टू नॉर्मल. बच्चे वापस बिजी हो जाएंगे, पेरेंट्स वापस बिजी हो जाएंगे, देन अगेन वील क्राई कि अरे पेंडेमिक डेज में हमने कुछ किया नहीं. सो डू दिस फॉर योर चाइल्ड. These days will not come back.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much, Reena ma'am, for having me here.
So much.
And all the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we end our talk for today. Tomorrow we have Dr. Aruna Wadkar from Bangalore. She will be giving us an insight to online education and traditional education. Thank you.